Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix this super stuck on a acquiring signal. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, check weather condition. Verify there has been inclement weather recently. Has a heavy cloud cover can cause signal loss. If the weather has been cleared up, consider the repointing the dish to ensure proper alignment. Okay. And then unplug the reset on a dish hopper. Find power cord connected to your dish hopper receiver. Gently disconnect the power cord from the power outlet. Leave the receiver unplugged for about 10 seconds to ensure a complete reset. Okay. Reconnect the power cord to the power outlet to restart the receiver and initiate the reset process and run a check switch test. Navigate to the menu on your disk Hopper receiver. Look for the system setup option within the menu. Find installation sub-menu within the system setup. Locate the select and point disk option. Choose the option for check switch within the point disk menu. Initiate the test to verify satellite connection and troubleshoot signal. Okay. After this, check your connection and disk Hopper. Ensure all the cable connecting disk to the receiver are securely plugged in and damaged. Okay, and then check all cables and connection between the disk and the receiver. If all of these steps is not working for you, you can contact the customer support help for further assistance and replacement receiver. Okay, so guys, this is our all step. Thanks guys, having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.